CAA row likely to reach the top court today. Indian Union Muslim League, the IUML, has filed a plea in the top court. And we have accessed a plea filed by IUML. IUML is seeking a stay on the implementation of CAA, for which they have approached the top court. IUML says that the CAA is discriminatory against Muslims. So it has filed a plea now in the top court for a hearing seeking stay on implementation of CAA. Pratibha is getting us more details on IUML's plea. Yes.
Right, Swati. Harish Nair, our legal editor, has accessed this plea of the IUML, and it mentions many of the contentions that they have, including the fact that this is a religion-based citizenship, as they claim. They say that the constitution envisages that India is a secular country, and therefore every law which is passed by the parliament has to be religion neutral. No law can be passed by the parliament if the basis of such a law is religion. This strikes at the root of the concept of the secularism, which is the basic structure of the constitution. For this reason alone, the impugned act is manifestly arbitrary. Then it goes on to call it an arbitrary act, discriminatory act as well, saying that it is discriminatory. It penalizes the adherents of one religion who are not provided the same benefits as the adherents of other religions. Then it also goes on to call it exclusionary to one group. These are some of the contentions that have been mentioned, also saying arbitrarily leaves out the migrants who are persecuted from the other countries.
All right. Pratibha, stay on with us. Harish, in fact, is joining us now on the broadcast. Harish, you've accessed the plea. Arbitrary, discriminatory, exclusionary. Those are the words used for CAA seeking stay on the implementation.
Yes, that's right, Swati. The IUML calls the CAA Act as arbitrary, discriminatory insofar as it singles out Muslim migrants from grant of citizenship and only grants citizenship to Hindus, Buddhists, Sikhs, Jains, Parsis and Christians, and very importantly says that any classification based on religious identity strikes at the root of Indian democracy, violation of validity of Article 14 and also against India's secular principles. And let me, for the benefit of the viewers, read out some of the very important prayers by the IUML. Pass an order directing the respondent union to stay the implementation of CAA rules 2024 till such time the present writ is pending before this honorable court, and pass an order staying the continued operation of the impulse provision of the Citizenship Amendment Act. Number 2, pass an order staying the operation of section 6B in Citizenship Amendment Act. Basically, Swati, the IUML argues that when this matter came up for hearing in December 2020, the batch of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of CAA, then when the petitioners had prayed for a stay of the CAA, the centre through the Attorney General, then Attorney General KK Venugopal had assured that CAA won't be implemented anytime soon because rules have not been framed, rules have not been notified. Therefore, the Supreme Court had not stayed. So now, as per the petition, IUML is saying that now that since the rules have been framed, rules have been notified, let there be a stay. So another petition is that, another prayer is that pass an order not to take coercive action against persons belonging to Muslim community who have been deprived on the benefit to apply the citizenship under the rules. Pass any order or orders.
Let's see how this plays out and proceeds as far as the top court is concerned. For the moment, thank you for getting us the details. Without a quick break.